Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out. Now this one is a black cat. Well, I'm going to make it a black cat anyway. It looks like it'd be one of those sort of Halloween black cats. It's a keychain. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added an ultrafine black glitter to colour it black. I'm just going to fill up this mold really quick and simple and let it cure for probably 48 hours. Okie dokie, right. I'll let that sit for a second and then I will pop any bubbles with my little heat tool there and I will be back. Okay, it's been 24 hours. Time to unmold this black kitty cat keychain. Wow, look at that. That is a perfect matte black cat. Well, if you're looking for a cat keychain mold, give this one a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.